You're watching San Diego's #1 source for news. This is Local 8 News at 4.
There's a new program in San Diego that's goal is to revolutionize education in poor, underachieving schools. It combines hard work and long hours with the dream to succeed. Here's 8's Cool School of the Week. This chant affirms students' commitment to learning here at KIPP Adelante Preparatory Academy.
Well, KIPP means knowledge is power and power is freedom, and Adelante means forward. It's actually a Spanish word. It means to go ahead, go forward.
Moving forward is the goal. This public charter middle school is working to close the achievement gap for students from Southeast San Diego, predominantly minority students who dream of going to college.
Coming to KIPP was like a whole new world for me.
All of our students will learn. We don't say they can learn, we say they will learn.
Students learn by raising their expectations and school time. Here at KIPP, it's a 10-hour school day, Saturdays too.
I think it's good because then we get to learn more.
Students are bused to this downtown building. Class size is small. Inspiration is big. You can feel it everywhere. You'll even see it on the stairs.
I can work harder, I can be nicer, and I can dream bigger. So I dream big.
Teachers are on call 24/7. Parents and students sign learning pledges. The curriculum focuses on academics and discipline and becoming college-bound.
This is our class of 2016, and these are all of our 5th graders. We call them not 5th graders, but by the year they'll graduate from college.
And students work in teams named after universities like Berkeley and Harvard.
From the beginning, students saying, yes, I'm going to graduate from college in the year 2016, it changes the mindset. It sets a goal for them.
When I first came, an ordinary student coming from an ordinary school, but when I came here, I believe it made me an extraordinary student.
KIPP Adelante is based on a national model which began in Houston a decade ago. Today, there are more than 40 KIPP schools nationwide. According to U.S. News and World Report, KIPP Academy in New York has become the highest performing public middle school in the Bronx with an 80% college attendance rate. Last year, in its very first year, KIPP San Diego outperformed a comparable school by 95 points on statewide tests. So a big congratulations to 8's Cool School of the Week.
They are all extraordinary. Well spoken. Congratulations. Well, it is